Full video available at JuicyNashae on YouTube. Yes, ma'am. She is gorgeous, okay? This wig was everything. I decided to style it on camera just so y'all could see how well this wig held up after I washed it and I wore it. Before I washed it, I wore it for 12 days straight, okay? Maybe a little longer, but I enjoyed the mess about this wig. I got more than my money's worth. Okay, and then some, because I then washed it with some shampoo and conditioner, got it on camera and showed y'all how I was able to revive it all in one video, and it looks like it looks the same as it did when I styled it. Okay, this 360 shows how pretty these curls are, and I know y'all probably don't believe I wore it for 12 days, but I did. So like I said, full video available at JuicyNashae.